So basically what will happen is this is the profile. This is a living room and this is a toilet and bath. Yeah. This is a bedroom, 10 feet. This is the living room. So from this pillar to that pillar, living room. This is the kitchen. And where that block from here is the porch area. And this is a walkway. So you walk from the back there to come in here, right? That's what's happening now. Yeah, same thing replicated here. So walkway, porch, living room, kitchen. No, kitchen is up, kitchen is there, bathroom. Okay, so replicated three there. Like I said, we're learning through all the time. I've decided that I might go one up more, and then I went yesterday to go and see someone else's building. On the upstairs, got like a penthouse bit, but he's done a bigger place, and I find it very airy, like loads of air, fresh air. So I'm gonna mirror it. So what I'll do is I'll do 2-bedroom here. This is like 2 up I'm talking about. No, the next one will be how 2 bedrooms. So the next one will be 2-bedroom, 2 bedrooms. So you have the option. I wanted to put a 2-bedroom on the first floor to make it less walking space, but apparently it's okay. 2 floors. Yeah, 2 floors is all right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two. So this bit here will be like a sitting area, like put like a little tent here where you can sit. And then on the 4th floor, I'm going to have a big space, like I'll make a big bedroom as well. So that's where we're going now anyway. I can see they've got some work to do because the workers here are kind of less. It cost me a week, so I didn't really plan well, but my thinking, I didn't plan well. I didn't even plan to kind of start, but I thought I'll start with what I have. As you're building relationships, you're able to kind of credit stuff. So luckily my neighbor is going to give me a bit of blocks. Yeah, I was gonna try and operate the stores, but realistically I'm not kind of there yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with this, and then as time goes on, work with that. The next time I also I'm going to do the forms first. I'm going to do the skeleton, as they call it, skeleton here. I'm going to do the pillars first and flow it. So when they come, they'll do it in one go. So what I plan to do next time, pillars, and then the beams, and also and then foundation. And then what will happen is the next time I work, so they'll do the form work first. Then when they finish, they do the block work. And then when I finish, I'll do the electrical all in one go. And then when I finish, so I work like that. So when I come to the electrical, I just do one piece instead of just keep buying these things and then restarting again. So now they're doing blocks, and then I do pillars in between. And then what I've learned a bit, we spoke about where they're going to do every kind of 2 cores. They're going to put a beam. They're going to put a iron rod in there to kind of hold it so that there's no crack, and then mesh as well. So all these things are like I've learned, and we spoke about it before. If you don't have your idea, so if you come in and you just want to do one thing, they'll just do that for you. No one's going to suggest for you that, oh, you should do it this way. No, it's not going to happen. So you have to kind of do a lot of the look and feel of it. You got to do everything how you want it so that you can instruct the person and kind of literally just micromanage them that way. Else, what will happen is if you say, oh, why didn't you mention this? They'll say, you know what, that's what you wanted. So that's kind of key. So you have to make sure that you know this bit. The plumbing work we don't have to do because this is a continuation pillar. So the next time, after 4 courts and they go the other side, they do the other profile, we'll need to kind of join these pillars as well. The last time I spoke to you lot, we didn't have someone building iron rods next to me. So now The iron rods guy is there now, so if the prices are comparable, it will save me on transport. I need to find out how much he collects to kind of do the work. That's it. So now I'm going to show you lot the next stage now. So yeah, so that's the iron rod there. These are 16 mm's. Yesterday I found someone and I posted a video, someone using 20 mm's, 20 mm's high tension. So there's different levels to this game. 20 mm high tension, this is 16, it done it all the way up, and 8-inch blocks. So my inch blocks here is 6-inch hollow for the top, right? So the top, as you're going up and up and up, your building is getting lighter and lighter and lighter, right? So we have 6-inch downstairs, solid, and then 6-inch hollow as we come up. And that's what they're bringing in now. As you can see here, they're bringing it now. So, I mean, I would just have them scissor lifts and bring it out. But because the reason why it costs now is you're going to have to pay for all these things, them not lifting it up. Yeah, so that's what's happening. Okay, all right.